Hi guys, today I'm going to give you an introduction to differentiation. If you'd like to see it in text format or listen to it as a podcast, please visit my blog www.mathsapprentice.wordpress.com. Well, you're probably wondering what differentiation is. Well, it's the system we use to find the gradient on a line or a curve. And if you're planning to take on maths to your second year or at uni, you'll be doing differentiation all day long. A prime example of how it works in the real world is if you differentiate kinetic energy a half mv squared, you get the equation of momentum, P equals mv. Well, anyway, let's get started. Right, so here we've got a line of y equals x, which is essentially x to the power of 1. What we need to do is take this power down and times it by the x. Once we've done that, we need to then take 1 away from the power, which would give us an equation of dy dx equals x to the power of 0, where anything to the power of 0 is 1, which would imply the gradient is equal to 1. So here we have a graph of y equals x squared, which is x to the power of 2, surprisingly. What we need to do is take this 2 and times it by the x again, and then take 1 away from the power, which was like normal. 2x to the power 1 is what we're left with, right? Because there's an x in this, it means that the gradient will vary at any point on this graph. So when we put in 0.39, we get a gradient of 2 times 3, which is 6. Which can be shown here. But at 0.24 we get a gradient of 2 times 2, which is 4, which is different to the point at 39. So what have we learned? Well, basically differentiation is done in 3 steps. First we times the power by the coefficient and make a new coefficient. This could be 1, this could be 3, it could be anything, it could even be a new variable. Then we'll subtract 1 from the power, and then we'll simplify, and then you've completed your differentiation. We've also learned that differentiation is the way to find the gradient of a curve or line at a point. Please subscribe, and don't forget to visit my blog www.mathsapprentice.wordpress.com. Don't forget that I'm also offering personal online tutoring for free.